Hi friends, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making a video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you'll understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, 86 video, 93rd video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments friends, okay? And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906 friends, okay? So I will spell it for you friends, okay? It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJEE 1906, okay? And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get a notification friends, okay? So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called this topic friends, okay? How to receive guidance from your subconscious, this topic, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover this topic and the name of the topic is his subconscious revealed the location of his father's will, this topic friends, okay? So friends, this is 138 number video and the name of the video and the name of the topic is his subconscious revealed the location of his father's will. So let us see friends what author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic friends, okay? A young man who attends my lectures had this experience. So the author Joseph Murphy is telling that there is a young man who attend his lecture have this kind of experience friends, okay? So let us see what is the experience. His father died and apparently left no will. So his father died, he lost his father and apparently he have left no will friends, okay? However, this man's sister told him that their father had confined to her that a will had been executed which was fair to all. So her sister said that her father have told him that there is a will he have already executed and which is fair to all friends, okay? Every attempt to locate the will failed. So each and every attempt was there to locate the will and it completely got failed, okay friends, okay? Prior to sleep he talked to his deeper mind as follows. So prior to sleep he said to his deeper mind which is as follows. So let us see what he said friends, okay? I now turn this request over the subconscious mind. So he said that I now turn this request over the subconscious mind. It knows just where that will is. So he said that it knows where just that will is and reveal it to me. So he said that you know where the will is and just reveal it to me. Then he condensed his request down to one word. So after that he condensed his request down to one word friends, okay? Answer. So he said answer. This was the one word which he said. Repeating it over and over again as a lullaby. So he repeated this over and over again and again as a lullaby friends, okay? He lulled himself to sleep with the word answer. So he lulled himself to sleep with this word answer friends, okay? The next morning, this young man had an overpowering hunch to go to a certain bank in Los Angeles where he found a safe deposit vault registered in the name of his father. So, after that, next morning, this young man had an overpowering hunch to go to a certain bank in Los Angeles. Afterwards, he found a safe deposit which was registered in his father's name, friends. Okay, the content of which solved all his problems. So whatever was there, which solved his each and every problem, friends. Okay, whatever content was there. Your thought as you go to sleep arouses the powerful latency. So author Joseph Murphy is telling our thought whenever we go to sleep, it arouses the powerful latency, friends. Okay, which is within you. So which is already within us, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. For example, let us suppose you are wondering whether to sell your home. So, for example, we are wondering that, let's suppose take an example, we are wondering that we need to sell our home, friends, okay? Buy a certain stock, server partnership. So, if we buy a certain stock, server or partnership, move to New York or stay in Los Angeles. So, we can move to New York or we can stay in Los Angeles, friends, okay? So, this author Awesome Morph is selling to us in this topic. dissolve the present contract or take a new one. So we can dissolve a present contract or we can take a new one, friends. Okay, do this. So your author is telling that we need to do this, friends. Okay, sit quietly in your armchair or at your desk in the office. So we should sit quietly in our armchair or at the desk in the office, friends. Okay, remember that there is a universal law of action and reaction. So we should always remember that there is a universal law of action and reaction, friends. Okay, the action in your thought, the reaction is the response from your subconscious mind. So your author is telling the action in our thought is the reaction response from our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, the subconscious mind is reactive and reflexive. So our subconscious mind is reactive and reflexive, friends. Okay, this is its nature. So this is its complete nature, friends. Okay, so this author is telling to us on this topic. It rebounds, reward and repays. So it always rebounds the reward and the repays, friends. Okay, so this author Murphy is telling to us on this topic. It is the law of correspondence. So it is the complete law of correspondence, friends. Okay, it responds by corresponding. So it always responds to us by corresponding, friends. Okay, as you contemplate right action. So as we contemplate right action, friends. Okay, you will automatically experience a reaction or response in yourself. So we are going to automatically experience a reaction or response in ourselves, friends. Okay, which represent the guidance or the answer of your subconscious mind. So which always will represent the guidance and the answer of our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, in seeking guidance you simply think quietly about right action. So in seeking guidance we should quietly think about the answer of the right action, friends. Okay, which means that you are using the infinite intelligence resident. So this means we are using the infinite intelligence resident, friends. Okay, in the subconscious mind to the point. So in the subconscious mind to the point. Okay, where it begins to use you. So where it always begin to use us, friends. Okay, from there on, your course of action is directed and controlled by the subjective wisdom within you. So after that our course of action is always controlled by the subjective wisdom which is within us, friends. Okay, which is all wise and omnipotent. So which is all wise and which is omnipotent, friends. Okay, your decision will be right. So our decision will always be right, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Means our decision will be right if we listen to our subconscious mind, friends. Okay, there will be no right action because you are under a subjective compulsion to do right things. So there are not going to be any right action because we are in a subjective compulsion to do the right thing, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. I use the word compulsion because the law of subconscious is compulsion. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that he is using the word compulsion because the law of the subconscious mind is also compulsion, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end, and in our today's video I've covered the topic called his subconscious revealed the location of his father's will. This topic, friends. Okay, and friends, in our next video I'm going to cover the topic called the secret of guidance. This topic, friends. Okay, the secret of guidance. So friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, and I will be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.